Hey YouTube, it's Edmund from GFXcomment.com, and today I'm going to be reacting to more of your renders. It appears you guys enjoy these kind of videos where I check out your stuff, and I've also gotten some feedback from you guys saying that wants more, more critique on your work. So I'm gonna try my best to give feedback. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first artwork we have here is from Zen Viewers. Let's check it out. So the terrain here is clearly a texture. I'm trying to see. Okay, so this is obviously just a render, so there's no Photoshop effects yet. This right here is kind of like to kind of simulate a cut. I think this part could be a bit better. What else? The lighting, maybe add a sun. I don't think I see one. The ground texture here and everything here is kind of flat, so if you add a sun, I think it will improve everything here. And also the shadows here on the character on the ground is kind of difficult to see, so maybe just a bit stronger shadows could possibly work. Here we have crits, cheap clothing, join. We have the dominus here, prefectus, which I happen to own, luckily. Join button, I think you can make the join button green. Orange is not really a color where it makes you, oh, I gotta click this, you know what I mean? Okay, core, yeah, the lighting is really flat and the core looks plastic. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, the lighting here is pretty flat. I think it's more of the material, so if you select this blue car paint, I would suggest you make it more metallic. I think that will improve this drastically. Zach with a preview for his next artwork, which I am very excited to see. As GFX is currently hiring, I think this is a bit too messy. I like the idea here with what you are trying to do, but there's just way too much going on. It's very cluttered. Alright, let's keep going. Best watermark. Interesting. So this right here, how I can critique this. The muzzle flashes can be worked on. I might make a tutorial on doing these. I'm pretty sure I have in the past, but obviously a more updated one. These sparks are pretty cool. I like those. Police hiding here, interesting. The textures are a bit washed out in the background, but I think it's pretty cool. I like it. Opening PFP commissions, $10 PayPal. It's pretty cool. Zach again with his preview. This is like a, I don't know, gas mask, I think. Okay, yet another thumbnail for Pet Zoo RB. These are like Pokemons. I'm pretty sure they are, right? Are they? Or maybe they're extremely similar. Here's a unicorn in back. Yeah, this is really cool. What can I say? I don't know. Maybe add some wood textures, but I'm assuming the whole style is just like a low poly thing, so maybe not. We've seen this. That was the first one, Earthbend. We have the Avatar, the last Airbender. I would say try to blur the background so it's a bit more clean and the character and the effects stand out more. So okay, don't know how I feel about this. Let's check it out. Very noisy, so I'm guessing this is not the final image. What is this, like a vehicle? We have explosions, a lot going on. What's that white effects runner, guys? Bro tries to make light. What's that? That's impossible. Cape is also low poly. Yeah, that's true. Style is conflicting. High res, realistic explosion, cartoon lasers. Also mid. I think it's pretty cool. The idea is cool. It's a bit too blurry and noisy to really make out what's happening. But I'm curious how it's gonna turn out. These right here are some interesting characters. The shading and the modeling here are nice. This one too, very cool. It's like a tribal mask hunter thingy. I don't know. If he was holding onto like a bow and arrow, I think that would be pretty cool. Most wanted. Here's a more clear version. There we go. I can see a bit better now. This one. Yeah, the cape here should be smooth, but I'm pretty sure you already knew that. I like the idea. I think mostly what you have to focus on is color grading to really darken the external and have it focus on the few light sources happening. So imagine if the background was dark and the lights coming from the effects here and this light source. Okay, so here we are. I'm just going to try something. Obviously it's not gonna be perfect, but I'm just going to attempt something. So alright, so this right here is just my attempt. I am sure yours would be much better, but yeah, this is how it looks at the start, and this is my little edit. So for what it's worth, I hope you guys, I don't know, learn something, if anything. But yeah, so I just darkened the background, I added some lights here, I added some light rays here, painted on the characters, and just a ton of color grading. Would really appreciate if you could leave a like or comment or do both. Expect more in the future, and I will see you guys in the next video.